Question, should you join Equity? Yes, absolutely 100%, but maybe not yet.
It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York. Yeah.
I was thinking about not wearing pants because they were off camera. But I'm totally wearing pants. On this channel, we drink wine, we talk about dogs, and we discuss what it is to pursue a musical theater career. Today I'm actually drinking coffee because it's the morning time. And also I was on set all day yesterday because I'm doing extra work for The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I'm very excited because I love that show. It's just extra work, but I'm still excited. So look for me in the background on The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel Season 2. Golden Globe winning television show on Amazon Prime. Today we're talking about Equity. Actors Equity Association. What it is, what it do, and whether or not you should join. So let's get into it. Oh, your breath smells awful. So what is Equity? Actors Equity Association is the Stage Actors Union. Now you're probably wondering, how can I join Equity? How can I be a part of the union? Do I have to be a part of the union? I am not an expert on joining Equity. I have just done a fair amount of research on it because I'm trying to decide whether or not it is something that I need to be doing at this point in my career. There are 3 ways to join Actors Equity Association. First, somebody just outright offers you a union contract. Say you go audition for something on Broadway and you're exactly what they're looking for. You can take that equity contract and then you are now in the union. You can also join if you are a member of a sister union. There are 4 sister unions to Actors Equity Association, or AEA for short. There is SAG-AFTRA, AGMA, AGVA, and there is GIA. So if you're a member of any of those unions, you can join Equity by showing that you are a member in good standing of your sister union and paying the initiation fee. I think it's $400. We've discussed the EMC program previously in this video. You can take a gander. So you're thinking about joining the union. Here are some pros and cons for you to think about. 1, higher wages, obviously. Before Actors Equity Association was formed, actors were charged a penalty for a bunch of just frivolous things. If you were talking in the wings or just talking loudly in general or being seen drunk in public, they could dock your pay. Also, they had their pay cut in half for the privilege of performing and rehearsing on holidays, which baffles me. Like, what? No. For a long time, actors were not paid for rehearsal time. Guaranteed breaks. Once you're in the union, they can't take advantage of you in rehearsal and make you work more than is reasonable. Talking about breaks. Yeah, huge one. Appointments. Oh man. I'm very fortunate. I have an agent and he's able to get me appointments for a lot of things. However, I'm not able to get appointments for like an EPA. That would be so nice to be able to just walk into an equity audition, throw down my equity card, be like, Kyle Jurassic, what appointment times do you have available? 4:10? I'll take it. Another great thing about being in the Actors Union, medical insurance and 401k. If you meet the qualifications as a union actor, you can get health insurance through the union, which is so nice. If you aren't super fortunate in marrying somebody outside of the industry. Hey, baby. Oh, taxes. When it's tax season, and you're like, oh no, I have no idea what I'm doing filing my taxes because it's complicated. Through the union, you can meet with a CPA, and they will go through all of the write-offs that you can take. So save your receipts. You're thinking, yeah, well, that sounds great. I want to be in the union. Hold the phone. Just hold your horses, man. Be stable. You do want to be in the union, maybe not yet, because your resume may not support the fact that you're in the union yet. If your resume doesn't say, I'm a pretty seasoned performer, you can trust me on your stage because I've done this, 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 and this, You might not be hireable. Casting directors are going to look at your resume and go, he's a little green. You want to make sure that your resume supports the fact that you are in the union. What I told myself is I want to make sure that I have a tour. I want to make sure I have a solid swing credit. And I want to make sure that I don't have to pad my resume with any more university productions. That's my rule of thumb. I don't know if that's a good rule to go by, but that's what I'm going by, and we'll see if that works for me. So stay tuned. If you like this channel, please subscribe. I'll be releasing a new episode every Theater Thursday at 3. Also, you can go into the little settings and you can click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get notified every time I release a new video. So, keep that in mind. Write in the comments below if you have any interesting tidbits you'd like to add, or if you'd like to just blatantly disagree with everything I just said. Feel free. Maybe you're right, and I can learn something from what you have to say. Tune in next week when we discuss something else. I don't know what yet. It's going to be a mystery episode. So, stay tuned. Will Kyle be able to continue thinking of content for this channel? Stay tuned. Next week we'll find out if there's anything else to say. Thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams. Be awesome. And cheers.